Weed growth under gravel patios lifting pavers is a total pain, but you can stop it for good by using the right weed barrier fabric. So, first off, when you're putting down gravel, make sure you lay a solid weed barrier fabric underneath. It's like a magic shield that stops those annoying weeds from poking through and messing up your whole setup. Pick a heavy-duty fabric made for landscaping because cheap stuff tears easy and won't keep weeds away. Before you lay gravel, clear the area of any existing weeds and roots, or else they'll just come back stronger. When you place the fabric, overlap the edges by at least 6 inches to block any gaps where weeds might sneak through. Secure the fabric with landscape staples so it doesn't shift around when you dump the gravel on top. Don't forget to rake and level the gravel regularly to avoid gaps where seeds can settle. And if you do see weeds starting to pop up, pull them immediately before they get deep roots. One of the biggest mistakes people make with weed growth under gravel patios lifting pavers is using thin or low-quality weed barrier fabric that doesn't last, so always invest in thick, durable fabric to keep weeds out longer. Another common issue is not overlapping the fabric properly, which leaves open seams where weeds can creep through. Just remember to overlap by at least half a foot and secure it well. Lastly, skipping the groundwork by not removing existing weeds and roots before installing the fabric will guarantee weed problems later on, so take time to clear everything before you start. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with patios and landscaping. For contractors, it's an easy way to connect with people ready to book projects right in their area.